Good morning. So we've got some maths today, and I'm just going to warn you now, there are a few little tricky bits in there that you need to be really careful of today. So we are looking at more decimal questions today, but today we are doing some takeaways, so some traction with our decimals. You've got this first page, and then you've got a challenge page as well, okay? You can have a go at both if you can. But I just want you to remember, these first questions are especially tricky. That's because when we have a question like 9.2, take away 7.39, if I was to write that one down here, we've got 9.2 take away 7.39. Now, if you have a look at this, to me, it looks like I've got my decimal points in the right order. I've got my numbers lined up, but there is a big problem. Hopefully you can spot it already. If you can't spot it, then you've got a great big gap here, okay? Now that's where we have to remember, when we see decimals written with one decimal place after it, we have to think 9.2, we would say 9.2, we're thinking 9.20, okay? And then when you've got that zero in there, then you've got that placeholder. Now you can do 0 take away 9 and do your stealing like you would a normal subtraction. But please don't forget that, okay? And then obviously once you've done that, you can't do 0 take away 9, so you'd steal from there, that becomes a 1. 10 take away 9 is 1. 1 take away we can't do, so we'd steal from there, that becomes an 8. And that's 11. 11 take away 3 is 8. Add another decimal point, and that is a 1. So our answer is 1.81. Okay? So today you're having to go at those questions, making sure you add in those zeros onto the end of the one decimal point numbers, and then having a go at the challenge as well if you can. So good luck, and I'll see you later.